lot of stuff going on this morning already, and fortunately or unfortunately, I've had to put into practice some of the things that I'm going to talk about today. Happy Monday. I am Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. Welcome to our Motivating Monday message. The purpose of our Motivating Monday message is to give you some encouragement and motivation for the week ahead. The quote I want to share today is from Buddha. Do not learn how to react, learn how to respond. So first, let's clarify. Reacting is something done without thinking. It's like a gut reaction based on things like insecurity or fear. And then you have responding. And responding, on the other hand, requires taking in the situation and deciding the best course of action based on your values. When situations come up, you can start by asking the question, am I reacting? You usually can feel some sort of physical response to that. And remember, you always have a choice. So consider your choice and, more importantly, the consequences of your choices. I want to encourage you to stop mindlessly reacting and start consciously responding. That is going to be probably my mantra for 2020. So the best way to respond instead of reacting is to just pause. Take a few moments and breathe. You know, I'm all about the breathing. But take a few moments to breathe, or in more stressful situations, just walk away momentarily. You can also count to 3 before replying to any question, regardless, big, small, whatever. Just take a few moments and count to 3. And then lastly, you can ask yourself a question like, what's the compassionate response in this situation? It's always okay to take the time and be mindful about the situation. I personally try to be mindful of how I respond because you can never undo what is said or done when reacting. And for me, this is growth. And this has been your Motivating Monday message for today. And I pray it was helpful to you in some way. So please comment, like, and share the video with your family and friends. You never know. Someone may also benefit from this message. Remember, be safe, be kind, don't wish for it, work for it. Make it a great Monday and take care. Thanks for watching.